Discrete probability distributions. In this section, we are going to look at what constitutes a discrete probability distribution, how to use discrete probability distributions, understand the uniform and binomial probability distributions, understand the concept of cumulative probability. By the end of this section, you should be able to identify situations where you could use each of these types of distribution, calculate individual probabilities for the binomial distribution, calculate cumulative probabilities for the binomial distribution.